Today's knowledge is three aspects in life. One is your effort. Second, time. Third, grace. God's grace. Three things has to be there. Self-effort, right time. Has it already come on the tweets? You're all on my Twitter? It has gone already? No. This is a St. Louis group. So what is the final? कौन लिख रहे हैं? प्रज्ञापाद लिख रहे हैं. इधर आ जाओ सामने. कौन? गुजरात से आ रहे हैं. इधर बैठ जाओ, सामने बैठ जाओ. तू भी इधर आ जाओ. शालिन. क्या लिखा है? God or higher power? हायर पावर बोलते हैं. हाँ? हायर पावर. अच्छा, वेबकास्ट हो रहा है अभी. शुरू हो गया वेबकास्ट. हाय टू एवरीबॉडी ऑन द वेबकास्ट. As usual, we are very casual. No formality. Join the crazy club. Three components in life. What are they? Number one, your self-effort. Without self-effort, without your effort, nothing happens. So you have to put your effort. Second thing is, will everything happen only through your effort? No. You make an effort, sow a mango seed, sapling today, and you want fruit of it tomorrow, it's not going to give you fruit tomorrow. It will take its time. Right? So, and that is the aspect, that's second, time. Everything has a time, right time. You know? Similarly, even for acting, there is a right time. Suppose in the winter you sow and then you say, oh, nothing sprouted. It's not going to sprout now, unless it is in a greenhouse. Right time. Right time to act, right time to receive the fruit of the action as well. So time is second factor. Third factor is a higher power, a grace. That is all possibilities. So you can put this as perseverance, patience, and possibilities. You should always keep a possibility. Give miracle a chance. When you think intellectually, logically, you think it's impossible, but many times it becomes possible. How many of you had this experience? So that is all possibilities. A higher power, a gift from higher power, which is all possibilities. So three aspects. Got it, no? What is it? Perseverance, patience, and possibilities. The three things you need in your life. three aspects of your life. That is knowledge. Suppose you say, I make all the effort, I remove the curtain, no, sun is not coming in. No, sun will come at the right time. Right? But if you have all the blinders on, even when sun is there, you don't get the light. Right? Time and perseverance, patience, perseverance, possibilities. Time and perseverance also has to match. All three has to match. Like in cell phone, charger, SIM card, and then the signal. All three has to match. Charge is there, but SIM is not there, or range is not there, then it's not going to work. So all three aspects are needed. Okay. Good. What else? Mm-hmm. Now let's go on the same thing. Of the three aspects, if your perseverance is lot, you put lot of effort at the right time, and little possibilities are there, there is achievement. Little if effort, right time, all possibilities, you have the unseen possibilities coming to your help, you are successful. Got it? Someone has not put any effort, but they got a lottery. There's a time and possibilities come together, you call it luck. See, I don't know how it all happening. So, devotee's life, this is more. Possibilities and time. Right time, possibility, time and possibility coming together. Time and perseverance coming together is also. Right time, you make lot of effort, it does give you benefit. Let's see what other combination. Lot of self-effort, very little support from the nature. It's bad luck. Little effort, a lot of support from divine. Good luck. Isn't it? Okay. What else we should think? Does Solar eclipse is over just now. Solar eclipse time is very good for mantra chanting, meditation, all this. Very good. Because Earth, Sun, and Moon are in one line, at that time somehow it affects the mind. Say when you chant mantras, then it is much more powerful. This is the ancient saying. And eclipse time, that's why I say 1 hour, 2 hour before eclipse, they stop eating so that the food all gets digested very well. And eclipse time you are in an empty stomach. Empty stomach, chanting mantra, everything is done for maximum result. Okay. Any mantra? Ganesh mantra, I said it's known for that. Obstacles, remove the first mantra is Ganesh. Anything you start with Ganesh. What else? Patience. Self-effort. Self-effort, patience and grace. There is not a single life which doesn't have any of this. Every life is provided with, everyone is provided with 3 aspects. Put your effort and give up. Give up. You know, when you are frustrated, you say, I give up. But you put your 100% effort and with love and with devotion, you say, I give up. That's a different type of giving up. that brings so much peace to you instantaneously. Too many options create confusion, right? Wait for the time. Or just see, choice is always between, it's not between good and bad, right? So it's always, and always the other thing, whatever you choose, something else would always look better. So be choiceless, be spontaneous. Take something, go play with life. You know. A gentleman in he was late 60s, came and said, I am looking for my partner. All these years I couldn't find one. All these years, because every partner, everyone he decides doesn't seem to have all the things that he wanted. As you're getting too late. marriages are made in heaven, you will have to find her also in heaven otherwise. She would have left there earlier than you. You have to go and find her there where the marriages are made. There's too many choices. Difficult to choose. Time is out. Good, good, good. So, what else we should think? Getting ready for celebration. Anyway, we celebrate every day. Already celebration began. Celebration has begun. What do we consider in our mind? What is the inventory we should take for the new year? Every yes, you can do two things. One is you can look back and see how you spent the past year, what good things you did, and what you couldn't do. And so the next year, say, okay, I will do these things. Some resolution. That's something you can. I have just received a mail from the Pope Benedicto, wishing happy Diwali to me and to all the community people. No, the current Pope, Francis, Pope Francis, I'm sorry. I just got, from Pope Francis. Huh? Resolution meant to be broken? Never mind. You know, in the field you throw seeds. Not all seeds sprout. Some sprout, some don't. Right? When you put saplings, not every saplings grow. Some do, some don't. In a tree, not all mangoes become fruit. Some fall when they're not even ripe. So like that. That's why you put your effort and then you give up. Giving up without putting any effort is foolishness. And after putting all your effort, not giving up is also foolishness. What is a bill? Put all your effort and give up. And not putting your effort and giving up is foolishness. And putting all your effort and not giving up is also foolishness. Yeah, you got it? And that keeps you free. That makes you free. What keeps you free? putting up effort and giving up makes you free. If you say, I give up without putting effort, it doesn't make you free. You say, I give up, but you have not really given up. The tendency to wanting to do something, oh, I have not done, I have to do, that will hold you back. The secret of freedom is put your effort and give up. Yeah? Yeah. Correct. Any action should be only with awareness. Action in unconscious, subconscious, or unaware state has no meaning. It's not called effort. How do you know when you should stop while eating? How do you know when you should stop while you are eating? Ha. Yeah, a point comes after you put all your effort, you feel, no, I can't put anymore. Then you, in a state of frustration, you say, I give up. Instead of getting into that stage of frustration, what you do, you put everything and then I give up. Okay. Oh. So this point is that clear? Second one, what is that? Not putting your effort and giving up doesn't free you. And putting all your effort and not giving up again is also will not free you. Okay.